Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, with the new demerit point system coming, scammers appear to be exploiting motorists' fear of license suspensions and mounting penalties.
This amid the circulation of fake traffic ticket notices to several members of the public as part of a digital trap.
Nakinskie Robinson tells us more.
A new scam threatening to upend Jamaicans, this time seemingly targeting motorists. It begins with a text message like this. Notice from the Jamaica Constabulary Force Traffic Division, your vehicle has been recorded speeding in violation of the Road Traffic Act. There's also a notice number and a date the supposed offense was committed. It comes just when motorists are being urged to clear their traffic tickets. People are being directed to a website so convincing that many say it appears to be an official government portal. The URL jcf-gov.cam/jm. Cam instead of com, something that can easily be missed. Screenshots of the alerts have been widely shared online with several persons, many of whom don't own vehicles. One online user shared this video on TikTok.
I have a driver's license, I have a learners. We can't drive. So, them catch me at speed. Pause and read.
Luring unsuspecting victims, the website requested financial information. In one case, this individual was offered a 50% discount on their fine. Chief Corporate Communications Officer for TVJ Ms. Horton says both entities are working to ensure members of the public are protected from these kinds of fraud.
They have been sending out an alert. We have also amplified that by indicating that it is a scam and just reminding persons that it is only through TVJ that such payments would be made.
Ms. Horton says that there is a police probe ongoing and there are efforts to shut down the fraudulent website.
I know that they are investigating and they are pulling it down, attempting to have it pulled down. I am suspecting that they would have by now. But I know the police is on top of it. It was really directed as if it's coming from them.
As seen here, the red flag. The notice to the linked website used the JCF's branding instead of Tax Administration Jamaica. Cybercrime investigators at the JCF have since urged the public not to click on fraudulent links. It is unclear whether the fake notices were being sent at random or people's personal information may have been obtained from another source. Nakinskie Robinson, TVJ News.